I'm going to tell about you and show you that new video. Why is Rabbi docherty trend video trending? Who is the breaking down as the latest news for you, everyone? So see my complete video and wait for the complete information and detail in or deeply. You can see in this video why is a rabbit docherty trending. Who is the broken down the human's interest story that his sense with online sense going trending earlier this year. The TikTok video is on Twitter and YouTube and it posted by a user. Video on social media and supposedly a woman on the train sat at another woman's as next to her and started wearing at and turning her to turn the music down. She was listening to and to stop the argument between the two women and to the at the one another, and the event has since gone turning online again after turning earlier this year. The TikTokers ultimately believe the the video is trending on the social media platform. One of the women in the took to TikTok to tell her of the story as it is TikTok video posted the video on every social media platform. You can see complete information and video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.